In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button next to the delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password and username have changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!